Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to fix Cash App too many attempts problem, okay? So basically I just want you to go to App Store first. So since I really don't have Cash App on my end right here in my Philippines country, they don't have Cash App. But for example, let's say this is Cash App, right? Make sure it's updated to the latest version. The one you're seeing right here should be open and not get or update, okay? So if it's update, please click on it to update it properly. So that's step one. And then second step, which is the last step actually, is go into settings, okay? Once you're in settings, let me just go back to the landing page. And then simply click on iPhone storage, okay? If you cannot find it, I'm just gonna type storage right there. And then simply clicking on that one. I'm gonna look for the Cash App application. So since I don't have it, I'm gonna use PayPal as an example. For example, okay, this is Cash App. I'm just gonna simply click on Offload App right here. Once I click on Upload App, I just simply need to click again to reinstall it. It's the same button right there. It's just gonna change the name to reinstall application after offloading it. So after clicking reinstall application, you should be good to go. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.